So welcome back, everybody, to 10.55, lesson
Yes.
10.55, due to some
10.5.5.
technical difficulties that we had in 10.5.
The camera battery died
Again. So, we want to thank our sponsor, Red Tape, for helping us to reconnect yet another camera to the tripod that is meant for real cameras, not mobile phones or cellular phones, and for just being Red Tape. K2, how do you feel about Red Tape?
It is a great tape to fix all damages.
Okay, say stop right there. Say stop.
We're doing the Terry Crowely thing.
Stop.
Okay, 1 through 4.
1,
1 through about 8.
7.
And the word of the lesson is...
Thank you. Good.
Which is actually 2 words in one.
And you should... Is there no space?
There's no space.
Wow, that's interesting.
Two dark,
T-Crow, you're so crazy.
meaning darkness or dark. So the example sentence is, you stop long too dark. You stop in the darkness.
Darkness.
Also, me know, look sabe face from you. Oh my gosh, we never did the word face in the last
I had to
one.
put face in it. Oh no, we didn't. I meant to do face in it.
We only did head.
Eyes and nose and mouth and ears.
Face. So, meaning,
FES.
couldn't see your face. It's too dark, couldn't see your face.
Hey Mike, from Wanam you me forget a word ya.
Too dark or face?
Face.
I don't know why.
But that was a good question. Question words. Lesson 10.
Me no sabe. From one of
So anyway, back to Too Dark.
too dark. It means literally pretty dark. So when you can't see, the place is too dark. And that's
Derived from the English. Too Dark.
that ends my segment.
Which brings us into Dear Jon. Let's see who today's Dear Jon letter is from.
Me too. I will see.
Language.
I said facts.
Fudge would have been good.
What they did in Christmas Story. Who is it from?
Today's Dear Jon letter comes from the future.
The future.
From Gazorpazorb.
Gazorpazorb.
I think it's Garfield from that cartoon that we watched that one time. Remember?
Super Trio?
No, not that one. Never that one. The one with Marty.
Oh, of course, Rick and
Rick
Morty.
and Morty. Gazorpazorb.
Remember
Remember?
that?
They watched Gazorpazorb?
I haven't watched that in so long.
So Gazorpazorb writes, Dear
Come
Jon.
down and buy my doors.
Yes.
My man.
Gazorpazorb writes, Dear Jon, since you're doing a question word episode, from Wanam, did you have to stop the video? Twice. I knew that. We deleted the other video, didn't we? Gazorpazorb. It's a crazy cat. All my love, Gazorpazorb.
Link
Well, thank you, Gazorpazorb. Our producer had some technical bodily difficulties,
Flatulence.
and so we just, I feel that you already knew that, and that you just wrote this letter to embarrass her. But thank you for using the word from Wanam, meaning why. And I'm happy to tell you, from say producer blow you me, and we got one problem with them.
Kakai tumas beans.
Beans, musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you.
Toot.
Toot.
Which rhymes
Thank you,
with
Gazorpazorb.
juice.
Sort of. Mike doesn't know what rhyme means.
My deafened. Oh, where'd my French
Your
translations
butt.
go?
You stop low, behind blow Mike. Or ass.
So, today's French lesson, unfortunately, doesn't use questions yet.
Do major.
Manger, yeah, I have that in here. So there it is. Where would manger have anything to do with questions? No, it's all statements. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. Okay. Me needem one doctor. Really important question in many
Or statement.
emergencies.
Well, the question is
I
a
meant to say
statement.
statement. I mean, you could also be so sick that you're delusional and saying, I need a doctor. So it goes like this for our French viewers. Me needem one doctor. Il me fout un médecin.
Medicine. Medicine. Medicine.
Medicine.
I didn't know the French sounded so much like Italian.
Right.
That's cool.
I
Learn
believe
something new every
they're very closely related. Like
They're like romantically involved.
it's like accents different only.
Yeah.
It's like
Not even dialect. Dialect is too strong a word. Spanish and
it's
Italian
like-
are the same language.
It's like when you talk to an Australian.
G'day, mate.
What?
I don't know.
Good day.
Good day, mate.
Brother.
Friend. Blong me.
Yes, that's how.
So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. And we will see you for lesson 11, which will probably just be reading the dictionary.
I don't want to do that. I want to do a real lesson.
Alright, fine. One more real